sanitizer at home. Here is some aloe vera, very slimy. And here is what it looks like when it's blended. We blended it and put 1/3 of aloe vera blended up in here. And here is 1 cup of methylated spirits. And what we need to do is pour the methylated spirits in here and then mix it all up. But before we mix it, we need to put a few drops of this eucalyptus oil, which I've already got set up here. Observe. Pour all of this in. And now, get the little cap of this and pour that in. Now, mix it all up until well combined. Okay, that'll do for now. And you can use this stuff to spray the doorknob of your front door and disinfect nearly anything, but make sure you don't waste it. And then you will pour it into a little bottle, something like this, or this, but it might leak if you put it in this. Or if you want to have some fun, you can put it in one of these for your kids. And that's when you're at home, the best thing to use is just some soap and water and rinse your hands really well. And thank you and see you later.